Turn on the car, but not start. Car is on. Driver side front window switch. Let's try to go up. It goes up, but it stops. It doesn't go all the way up. Let's try go down. It goes down, but it stops. It doesn't go all the way down. You gotta remove this piece here. Pry them out. Push the center, and then you pry out. Pry the cover, small cover here, so that you can take out the screw inside. We'll pry this up, and this one the bottom down, and then slide forward and pry up. That's the one holding it. Same on the other side. And there's a screw inside. There you go. And then slide forward. Push the tab. And then wiggle out. There you go. And then just pull it upward. Upward to disconnect. And then the panel is free. Remove this plastic cover. It's glued, so we gotta use knife to cut it out. I will remove the speaker, 10mm socket. You take out the regulator. This is the one that goes up in the window here, the glass. To remove this, that bolt here supposed to be over here, a little bit up, so that you can open that one. And this one here, that's the one connecting the glass, window glass, to the regulator, so that it will go up and down. This one is down. We will try go up a little bit. There you go. That's free. The other side is right here. Unplug the switch. Bring out the window regulator. We have to remove this bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This bolt here, no need to take out all the way, just loosen it up, and then you lift it up. It will go on this hole so that the bolt is attached to the regulator, so that when you put it back, you just put it, the bolt go inside, and then you just hang it there a lot easier. They use this one, they might crack the glass. We will lift the glass up. We will remove the 6 bolts that's holding the window regulator. This last one here, we will just loosen it up. No need to take out on the way. It's loose. Disconnect the wire, lift up, and then bring out over here. And here we go. This is the motor. This is the regulator that brings the window up and down. This is the power window regulator, and this is the motor. It's plugged, and we will try turn it on and see what happens. Car accessories is on, and let's try down, up, down, up, and then it stops. Now, like move, it doesn't move anymore. It's not moving now. It moves, but it stops. So the motor is faulty, needs to be replaced. We'll remove the motor using a T25 Torx bit. Lithium grease, you gotta grease the gear. We have to match this mark. This is a factory mark. When we install the motor, you gotta move it tighten the bolts. Put some grease on the track. With some blaster on this joint here. Other side. Ready to put him back. The rubber supposed to be put in here, not needed. So we'll put it back. This bolt here, you just loosen it up so that you can just hook it up on this hole here. This bar here must not be interchanged. The one without the slot goes on this hole. The one with the slot goes in this hole here. To be sure it's all tight. Before putting the glass, you gotta spray silicone lubricant on the window track. This side too. Be sure the glass is inside the track. The same on the other side. Use this hand tools to tighten it up. Same on the other side. Tighten it up snugly. Test if it works. There's the switch. And let's try go up. Here you go. Works. Down. One more time. Up. Down. It works. Reinstall the speaker.